I kind of burst the pepper because I like it have a little kick to it, you know. Big up on yourself. Juliet, one of my favorite soup on a Saturday in Jamaica. I saw me know somebody can come here, yeah, Juliet. Big up. I don't know, they don't like gungo peas in my house. I don't know what's up with that. But my grandmother, she used to plant gungo. And as a kid, I didn't really like it either. But when I got older, I was craving the taste of gungo. And boy, I found some at the international store, even the green ones. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. But anytime I make gungo rice and peas, them don't want it. So I'm like, all right. But still I buy my gungo and mix it up once in a while. You know what I mean? But the red peas ain't really agree with me anymore. But gungo are my thing. And the pigtail, because I know my husband, he likes pigtail. So pigtail is not really my stuff, but you know, when I make the gungo rice and peas, then I add the pigtail to it. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah. Give it that flavor.